shipwrecks of Coron Bay are a series of impressive wreck sites for diving and snorkeling in Palawan. There are 12 sunken wartime ships at the bottom of the ocean, the result of an attack on the Imperial Japanese Navy by U.S. Navy aircraft during the Second World War in September 1944. Most of the wrecks are sunk to a depth of 20 to 40 meters, and you need to at least an advanced open water certification to dive at those sites. The Second World War wrecks of Coron Bay are some of the best preserved in the world. Coron Bay lies on the northern tip of the island of Palawan, the most westerly of the Philippine Islands, but is easily reachable by plane from Manila. Follow for more upcoming videos.